Hi, everyone. I just want to give you a special hello, a special welcome to the Empowering New Nurses show today. I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, DNP, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy that you've taken time out today to share with some of the experiences that we have had and that we can help to empower new nurses and help them to gain their confidence and some normalcy as they gain added knowledge and experience and skills in the nursing profession. So without any further ado, let me just say what we'll be talking about. This is on the topic of self-care. Self-care, absolutely. Because our nurses, our young nurses, our older nurses, and nurses and the healthcare team have worked so hard. They need absolutely to take care of themselves. You know, so often we care for others without even thinking of ourselves. Well, the time has come whereby you should not feel guilty of doing something for you, doing something for me. It's very important. Because what will that do? What are some of the benefits when we take care of ourselves? Of course, it's going to improve our well-being, our lifespan, our longevity, you know. It will lower morbidity. It will lower mortality. And our lives will be prolonged. Of course, it's going to affect the healthcare cost. Because if we take care of ourselves, then the cost for care in the hospital, which can be exorbitantly high, this definitely will be lowered because then you wouldn't have to be going to the doctor for this disease and that disease because you didn't take care of yourself. Because definitely when there's some intemperance and the lack of care for yourselves, it will tell at some point or another on you as an individual. So there are many researches that are being shown now, the literature showing that there are more studies that are more investigations that are being done on self-care. Now, individuals have to take responsibilities. Families have to take responsibility, communities. And I must say kudos to those who are really intentional about taking care of themselves. In my environment, my church, for example, we have the health ministries, and that different individuals, members of their choice, you know, they make their choices. I mean, it's given to everyone. Everyone is invited to participate. We have different activities there, and exercises, games, learning different things. All of those things help to taking time out, going to the park, going to something that will affect your health mentally. Take time out, go to the beach, you know, go to activities, being involved in different activities that will lower your blood pressure, get your mental state of mind into a different mindset, cultivating and habitually having positive thoughts. And, you know, habits lead into what? Your destiny. You know, your thought, your positive thinking definitely will lead to a positive outcome, positive end results. Therefore, we should be encouraged to take care of ourselves. The young nurse or junior nurse or whatever area you fall in, the category you fall in, just remember, it's not work. You need to take a break. If your day's off, take some rest, treat yourself, you know. Healthcare, just think about self-care. You do that special massage, you go wherever you choose to just take time out and breathe. Take some deep breaths, think on the positive, check off your family members, go out with your friends, share good thoughts and all those goodies. Self-care is very, very, very important, especially in this time when we have so many stress factors that are impinging upon us. So, young nurses, older nurses, everyone, you need to take that responsibility of doing something special for yourself. Be temperate. These are my few words with regards to self-care. Young nurse, don't be overwhelmed. Things will fall in place. Take time out when you have to. Take time out and think positively. Take time out and relate with others. Give some comforting words, read some positive books, the thought process, develop your thought process, and just be intentional about it. Taking time out for you. Take time out for you. Take time out for you. Now, these are my few recommendations at this time, and you will grow and grow and grow. I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, the host of Empowering New Nurses show. You can connect with me on YouTube, Miriam Amanda Smith. Yes, let me quickly say that this week is being celebrated as World Breastfeeding Week. And so it is so important for our mothers. Let me say kudos to our mothers who are breastfeeding, because we know that that's golden. That breast milk is golden. We know that breast milk has so many benefits. And in this case, you can just check me out on the episode on breastfeeding, the benefits of breastfeeding, in my earlier episodes. Okay? So Podcastmere is my Instagram, and Podpal, you can check me at Miriam Smith, and Apple, definitely. So, have a great afternoon. See you later. New episodes. Comment, subscribe, give your likes, and make your comments and your statements. Thank you again for listening and for coming on to the Empowering New Nurses show. Miriam Smith.